Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add voice effects to your video on the InShot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the video button within the create new section and select the video that you would like to edit. Slide to the right side down below and then click on the voice effect option. Here you can see two categories, character or hot. As you tap on one of these, you will be able to check out how it sounds, and if you are satisfied with it and you would like to apply it to your video, all you have to do is tapping on it and click on the checkmark icon on the right side of the screen next to the voice effect title. Then it will be applied to your video, and here you can see that it's marked with this icon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.